This is our first ever video, and today we're going to be showing you how to make this paper airplane. So, we're going to show you how it flies. We're going to show you how it flies. So, grab it right here. Let it fly. You guys see that? It flies pretty well. And it's pretty awesome because it can fly incredibly awesomely. You guys see that? So today we're going to show you how to make that. So how we're going to make this is, here, let me just have my brother Gigi hold the camera. By the way, my name is JJ. Here you go, Gigi. The camera for me, please. Okay. So how we're going to start it is, what we're going to do is you're going to start with a piece of notebook paper. So what you do is you fold this part, this side, to this side like that. Crease it really good, and then you open it back up. Then you get these corners, you put them like that, like you would start any airplane. So as soon as you do that, instead of going like that, you're gonna have to make this part go under here and get this corner, these two corners to the center, like that. I see that? Get these two centers like that. That. So then you get this bottom part, make it go up, like about right here. Here. About right there. Crease it. Then what you do is like that, right? So get this part, you fold it up like that, crease it, make sure it's all good and creased, like that, and then get this all the way down till you see that line touching the other line. And then you crease it pretty good. So then you do the same with the other side. Then crease it good. And then, there you go. And it flies the same as the other one. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. So bye guys.